Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Luna.
And I'm Alex. Today, we're going to make your English sound fluent, natural, and confident with 20 daily English sentences you can use every single day.
If you're a beginner, this video is perfect for you. We'll show you real sentences, explain how to use them, and give you fun practice examples.
And of course, you'll also hear a few of my brilliant jokes.
Well, let's see about that. All right, everyone. Grab your notebook and let's start speaking English like a pro. So, Alex, many beginners know English words, but they still struggle to speak fluently. Why is that?
Good question. It's because fluency doesn't come from only learning grammar rules. It comes from learning ready-made daily sentences.
Exactly. Native speakers use short, simple sentences every day. If you learn them, you can speak without thinking too much.
Right. So today, we'll learn 20 powerful daily sentences used in real life, at home, school, work, or with friends.
We'll also tell you when to use them, how to pronounce them naturally, and the most common mistakes to avoid.
And in the middle of the video, we'll have a quick practice challenge, so make sure you watch till the end.
Okay, let's begin. Here are our 20 daily English sentences for beginners. Sentence 1. How's it going? This means, how are you, but sounds more casual and friendly.
You can say this to your friends or classmates. Example, Hey Luna, how's it going? Answer,
Pretty good. How about you?
Perfect. It's a great way to start a conversation. Sentence 2. I'm getting ready.
Use this when you're preparing to go somewhere, like school, work, or a party.
Example, Are you coming?
I'm getting ready. Give me 5 minutes. I say that every morning before work.
Sentence 3. Let's grab something to eat.
This means, let's eat together. It's a friendly, natural way to invite someone for food.
Example, Hey Luna, I'm starving.
Let's grab something to eat. Tip: grab doesn't mean you actually grab food. It just means go and get.
Sentence 4. I'm on my way.
Use this when you're going somewhere and want to tell someone you're coming.
Example, Where are you?
I'm on my way. Common mistake. Don't say I'm in my way. That means you're blocking yourself.
Yeah, please don't block yourself. Sentence 5. I'm not sure.
Use this when you don't know something completely.
Example, Is the shop open today?
I'm not sure. Let's check Google. It's polite and natural. Better than just saying I don't know.
Sentence 6. Take your time.
This means don't hurry.
Example, I'll finish this report soon.
Take your time. It's a kind, patient way to speak. Very useful in polite conversations.
Sentence 7. I'm just kidding.
Say this after making a joke so people know you're not serious.
Example, You're late again. Just kidding.
Alex uses that one a lot.
Well, I am funny. Sentence 8. I can't wait.
It means you're very excited about something.
Example, The weekend is coming. I can't wait.
Don't use it when you're angry. It's always for positive excitement.
Sentence 9. It doesn't matter.
This means it's okay or no problem.
Example, Sorry, I broke your pencil.
It doesn't matter. A great way to sound kind and calm.
Sentence 10. I'll take care of it.
Use this when you want to say I'll handle it or I'll do it.
Example, Who will clean the table?
I'll take care of it. You can use this at home, work, or anywhere you want to show responsibility. Before we go to the next 10, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
For more English learning videos with us. And hit that bell icon, or Luna will give you extra grammar homework.
Oh, yes, and I'll make sure it's very long.
Sentence 11. That sounds great. Use this to show you like an idea. Example. Let's watch a movie tonight.
That sounds great. You can also say that sounds good or that sounds perfect.
Sentence 12. I'm used to it.
This means something was difficult before, but now it feels normal.
Example. Isn't it hard to wake up early?
No, I'm used to it. Careful! Don't say I used to it. That's wrong.
Sentence 13. Let's get started.
Say this when you want to begin something, a class, a meeting, or work.
Example. Is everyone here?
Yes? Okay, let's get started. Sentence 14. I'm feeling a bit tired.
This is a polite way to say you're tired, softer than I'm tired. Example. Do you want to go out?
Maybe later. I'm feeling a bit tired.
Sentence 15. I'm looking forward to it.
This means you're excited about a future event.
Example. We're having a picnic this weekend.
I'm looking forward to it. Don't say I'm looking forward for it. The correct preposition is to.
Sentence 16. That makes sense.
Say this when something is clear or logical.
Example. We should leave early to avoid traffic.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Sentence 17. I'll be right back.
This means you'll return soon.
Example. Wait here, I'll be right back.
Don't say I come back soon. That's incorrect.
Sentence 18. Don't worry about it.
Use this to make someone feel calm.
Example. Sorry, I forgot to call you.
Don't worry about it. Sentence 19. I have no idea. It's a stronger way to say I don't know.
Example. Who took my pen?
I have no idea.
Sentence 20. I'll let you know.
Say this when you'll give someone information later.
Example. Are you coming tomorrow?
I'll let you know. It's polite and professional. Great for work and daily life.
Detailed practice conversations.
Now let's do some practice dialogues. Repeat after us. This will help your fluency. Dialogue 1. Morning.
Good morning. How's it going?
Pretty good. I'm getting ready for work.
Dialogue 2. Lunchtime.
Let's grab something to eat.
That sounds great.
Dialogue 3. Running late.
Where are you?
I'm on my way.
Dialogue 4. Small talk.
Are you excited about the trip?
Yes, I can't wait. Dialogue 5. Work.
Who will send the email?
I'll take care of it.
Dialogue 6. Apology.
Sorry I made you wait.
It doesn't matter. Take your time.
Dialogue 7. Joke.
You look sleepy again.
I'm just kidding. I'm full of energy.
Dialogue 8. Future plans.
We're meeting tomorrow, right?
Yes. I'm looking forward to it.
Dialogue 9. Problem solving.
Should we take a taxi instead of walking?
That makes sense.
Dialogue 10. Ending. I have to go now.
Okay, I'll be right back too. Common mistakes.
Now let's look at some common mistakes beginners make. Incorrect. I'm in my way. Correct. I'm on my way. Incorrect. I'm looking forward for it. Correct. I'm looking forward to it. Incorrect. I used to it. Correct. I'm used to it. Incorrect. Don't take your time. Wrong tone. Correct. Take your time. Incorrect. It doesn't matter. Correct. It doesn't matter.
And remember, Fluency doesn't mean speaking fast, it means speaking naturally.
Exactly. So, practice these sentences every day, and you'll sound smoother and more confident in just a few weeks.
Okay, time to recap what we learned today. We covered 20 daily English sentences. Simple, useful, and natural.
From greetings like, "How's it going?" to everyday phrases like, "Take your time." That makes sense, and "I'll let you know."
Now, here's your challenge. Choose 5 sentences from today's video. Make your own short conversation using them. Write it in the comments. We'll read and correct them.
Also, tell us, which sentence was your favorite today?
Mine was, I'm just kidding, because, well, I'm funny.
Of course, Alex. And mine was, take your time, because learning English takes time, but it's worth it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
For more English learning with Luna and Alex,
See you next time. And keep practicing your English every day.